Welcome to this video on advanced diagnostics for electricians. We'll be mastering AFCI tripping and learning how to stop the nuisance trips. We'll provide a technical breakdown of why arc fault breakers trip, how to identify ghost signatures, and professional-grade solutions for every job site. Section 1 covers the anatomy of an arc. We need to understand what the microprocessor sees before it cuts the power, differentiating between dangerous arc signatures and safe arc signatures. Unlike standard breakers, AFC is a digital signal processor or DSP to detect danger. It analyzes wave patterns for high-frequency noise, differentiates between safe and dangerous arcs, and monitors current spikes lasting over 100 milliseconds. The three usual suspects for AFCI trips are loose screws, shared neutrals, and damaged wires. Loose terminal screws cause high resistance points. Shared neutrals lead to current imbalances. Damaged wires create a parallel arc path. The shared neutral headache accounts for 50% of service calls. AFCIs monitor current balance, similar to GFCI. If the current out equals the current return, the balance is zero. Any deviation over 30 milliamperes can trigger an immediate trip in many models. Ground to neutral bonds are another common issue. Box-level errors occur when a bare ground wire touches a neutral screw. Sub-panel bonds, where neutral and ground bars are bonded, can split current between paths, tripping every AFCI under load. Field data shows the top causes of nuisance trips are shared neutral at 45%, appliance noise at 25%, wiring damage at 20%, and external RF at 10%. Here is the diagnostic workflow. Step 1. Read the code. Step 2. Isolate the issue by unplugging loads. Step 3. Circuit test using a Megger or AFCI tester. Step 4. Verify by reconnecting loads one by one to find the noisy appliance or fixture. Arc fault signature types fall into three fault profiles. Parallel arc accounts for 40% and is aligned to neutral or ground fault. Series arc is 35% and involves a gap in a single conductor. Leakage is 25%, caused by faulty insulation moisture. The professional fix list includes torquing everything to spec, replacing old triac dimmers with AFCI-compatible LED dimmers, megging the wire to check insulation integrity, and ensuring neutral connections are tight wire nut joints, not speed-wired. Comparing breaker technology, standard breakers only handle overload/short faults. GFCI adds ground leakage protection. CAFCI, or combination AFCI, offers protection against all four fault types: overload/short, ground leakage, parallel arcing, and series arcing. In the diagnostic wrap-up, an instant trip usually indicates a hard fault. If the trip is delayed by more than 5 minutes, it is likely a shared neutral or a thermal arc signature.